How to recover your TikTok account without email address or phone number. Hello everyone, this is Lisa from Create Login and Delete. Now let's get started. Open your TikTok app. Here we go. At the bottom, you'll find different options. Head towards the option of profile. Now tap on this option of login. Select the very first option, use phone, email, or username. Now at the top right corner, you can find this word icon. Tap on it. Over here, you will get different options to recover your account. You can use your TikTok username, phone number, email address, and Instagram to recover your account. As you don't have access to phone number, email address, or Instagram, select the option of TikTok username. Now type in your TikTok username. After you type in that, tap on the option of Next. Verify identity. Choose a method to verify your identity. As you don't have access to these options given over here, you have to tap on this option of Need Help. Now here you have to describe about your problem and submit it to the TikTok support team. Make sure you mention your TikTok username over here. Likewise, make sure you enter the new valid email address that should be linked with your TikTok account. You can ask TikTok support to link your new email address to the TikTok account. If you have photos or videos of your TikTok account, you can add it from here. After you are done, tap on the option of submit. With that, you have just submitted your report to the TikTok support team. Now TikTok will get back to you within few hours or days. Make sure you check the new email address that you have mentioned in the report. After you get the feedback from the TikTok account, you will be able to recover your account. So this is the way to recover your TikTok account without email or phone number. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.